Have you ever had an idea for an online store but just got stopped cold by all the technical stuff? Well, today, we're going to change that. We're going to break down how you can build a complete AI-powered e-commerce store from the ground up. And trust me, it's a lot easier than you might think.
And I'm not talking about some little hobby project either. We're talking about a real, honest-to-goodness system. You know, a customer goes to your live website, they place an order, and bam, it instantly shows up in your own private admin dashboard. That's exactly what we're mapping out today.
And this isn't some futuristic theory. It's happening right now, and we're going to walk through exactly how it's done. It's kind of a game changer, really. It proves that this kind of powerful tech isn't just for the big corporations anymore. It's for everyone.
Ready to jump in? We've got the whole process laid out in 5 clear steps. We're going to go from zero to a fully working online store.
Okay, first things first. Let's meet the dream team of tools that's going to make all this happen. And don't worry, while they're super powerful, they're also surprisingly simple to get a handle on. So here's the easiest way to think about this. Google AI Studio, that's our brilliant architect. We give it some simple instructions and it designs the entire building for us. And Supabase? Well, that's the foundation, the plumbing, the electrical, and the security system all rolled into one. It makes sure everything actually works and stays safe.
All right, time to roll up our sleeves and actually build something. First up, we're going to set up the digital brain of our whole operation using Supabase.
So here's what's so cool about Supabase. It handles all the really complicated backend stuff that, honestly, used to take developers ages to build from scratch. For us, we just need to tell it what we need for our store. No deep coding required.
Setting up our backend really just boils down to these 3 steps. And the best part? You can get started on their free plan. So let's walk through it.
So instead of building a database from scratch, we're just going to use some ready-made scripts to create 2, let's call them digital filing cabinets. The orders cabinet, well, that's for storing all the customer orders. And the profiles cabinet is basically our list of who gets the keys to the back office, our admins.
Okay, but what about security? This is where Supabase is just awesome. We set up these rules, kind of like putting up digital security fences. The public can come to the store and place an order. That's it. But only people with an admin key can actually see all the orders or make any changes to them. Super simple, but really powerful.
And just like that, our backend is ready to go. All we have to do now is grab 2 little pieces of information, the project URL and a special publishable key. Think of these as the secret keys that will let our AI-generated app talk to our new database.
All right, now for the part that feels like actual magic. We are about to use AI to build our entire customer-facing store from just a single sentence. Seriously, you have to see this.
All we do is give Google AI Studio a clear, simple instruction in plain English. We just tell it what we want, hand over those keys to our backend that we just got, and let it do all the heavy lifting. No coding, no design degree needed,
And boom! Just like that, from one little prompt, we get a surprisingly clean, fully functional storefront. It has a nice layout, a working order form, and it's already connected to our database. I mean, how cool is that?
Okay, moment of truth. Let's do a test. We fill out the order form on the new site, we click Submit, and yep, the order shows up instantly in our Supabase database. The connection works perfectly. So our store is officially taking orders, which is great. But what about the person running the store? They need an easy way to see and manage all these orders coming in. That's where the admin dashboard comes into play.
Let's be real. A store owner needs a clean, organized control panel, not a messy spreadsheet of raw data. So we're going to build them a user-friendly dashboard that makes managing everything a breeze.
And you probably know the drill by now, right? We just ask the AI for what we want. Hey, build an admin dashboard. It needs a secure login page and an orders page that shows me all the data from my orders table. It's like having a personal coder on call.
But what if the AI misses something? You know, it's not always perfect. Let's say it forgot to show the customer's address on the orders page. No problem. We just ask it, hey, add the customer address, and it fixes it instantly. Making changes is just that simple.
Now this right here is the critical part. The dashboard and the database are always in sync. So when the store owner updates an order status from pending to shipped in the dashboard, that change is saved back to the database in real time. Everything is always perfectly up to date.
Okay, we're in the home stretch. Our system is built, it's functional, it's connected. Now for the final and surprisingly simple step. Let's put it on the internet for everyone to see.
Taking our store live is basically a 3-click process. First, we save all that code the AI generated for us to a place called GitHub. Think of it like a Google Drive for code. Then we connect that to a web host and just click deploy. That's it.
And one of the coolest parts of this setup is something called auto deployment. This means anytime you want to make a change, say you ask the AI to add a 20% off banner to your store. As soon as you save that change, it automatically updates your live website. No waiting, no developers, it's just live.
So what's the big takeaway from all this? Building real-world, powerful business tools isn't just for expert developers anymore. With tools like these, anybody can bring their ideas to life. We've just walked through the blueprint, which really only leaves one question left for you. What will you build?